Hi everybody, hope you're doing fine. My name is Philipp Schuster and I would like to invite you to our next event, how to make your sustainability roadmap. So I'm wondering, do you already have your roadmap set up for the next year or in general for your organization, for your company? Maybe you want to change of perspectives and you just want to change your business and make it more sustainable. Know the steps how to get there. So we're having this event coming up in January where we meet, discuss the necessary why we should come to a road to sustainability and prepare our roadmap for sustainability. And then we actually guide you through the steps that you should do or you could do to get to your own roadmap. If you need help, we can assist you. Then in the event, we also want to network, meet each other. So we prepare a room for networking where we can change our contacts and we can exchange our ideas and maybe we can co-create something together. So I really invite you to this event. Sign up now on Eventbrite. It's free for our club members. Everybody else asks for a conscious contribution, but hey, feel free to sign up to our club and you can also join the webinar for free. So I really hope to see you there. Stay tuned and let's create impact together.